right, we are sitting in a Porsche Turbo S. This is as bad as it gets for a two-door sports car, and it is a convertible. I don't want to get out of the car, I have the AC on and it feels good. It's a little hot in LA. But this car you've seen it on the channel, it's basically an RDB car, so that's why it's all over the background, you see all the time. But this car has a matte PPF on it, a stealth PPF, so it looks really nice in that satin white finish. After about a year or so, we decided to put some RDB wheels on it. So we just changed up the wheels, same size as factory, but we put the better tires on there, even a little bit chunkier, makes it look sportier, all that stuff, and came out really nice. All gloss black on this one, just to keep it super clean and simple. We were thinking about doing polished and brushed, but I think the all black with the wine and black on the Porsche, the Panda look, it looks incredible. So yeah, it's a really nice Porsche Turbo S right here. One of the best cars ever made. Hope you guys like it.
Fuck, it's 3 o'clock. We're dead. We're dead. We're dead. It is crunch time. Crunch time. All right, so we got to get this. We got to finish this car. We're ready for wheels.
What the fuck is that noise? Lunchtime!
Yeah. So it is crunch time. We're ready to go. We have wheels left only. As you guys can see, we have the lower lip done, the hood's done, rockers are done, and the window tints are done. And he's gonna be very excited. It's for a very special client. He's on his way. We got 45 minutes to finish this thing. The only problem is the wheels and tires are not here. They're nowhere to be found. This man has a famous kick, so if this car's not ready by then, I'm gonna get it in the face, ladies and gentlemen. That'll hurt. That'll kill somebody. Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's a pro fighter.
Yeah, that's a hard kick to do. Jesus Christ. How does he do that?
I don't know if you could hear me, and we are painting the current GT parts. Probably the most obvious part is the rear engine bonnet right there. And this is obviously the part that goes behind your head. It's not gonna stay matte, which honestly would look amazing. This is getting a clear coat over it. It is a Ferrari color, and it's a very, very special color. Very hard to formulate. We had trouble finding the formula on it, but we did it. Car has over like 60 pieces we need to paint.
Wow.
How am I gonna get out, right?
Why? I'm watching you.
Oh. Show me the meaning of being lonely.
You should have been a singer.
Life goes on as it never ends. I'm saying he should have ordered Little Caesars.
You should tell him.
Maybe you want a little cheeser.
Yeah, maybe you.
It's up there.
Hey guys, we have a lot of parts over here laid out on the floor next to me. It's all in carbon, which is really cool. This is actually the Duke Dynamics full Revuelto body kit, and we got everything that they have to offer. We have a matte black Revuelto here that we are going to put this on and also wrap some of it in matte black. It's an add-on kit, it's not wide body, anything like that, but it has also a really cool wing system in the back. As you can see, in the middle is the engine bonnet. We're gonna have to take off a lot of stuff off the OEM engine bonnet and put it on here, and then it gets a big wing attached to it. So it's pretty cool because you don't have to touch any of the wing components on the factory. Obviously it has this pretty unique looking hood with vents on the sides. Obviously the under spoilers are all very drastic, and they have all these things poking out, makes it look way more aggressive. And then really what everybody kind of goes crazy for this kit is the lights in the back. They don't have a kind of like a real diffuser. They have these add-on carbon fiber framed lights that go on the back and act like either you could do brake lights or you could do it like parking lights, and they're always on with the lights. So other than that, this car's gonna look really cool. We're putting RDB wheels on it, and they're actually really special, the revolver wheels that you guys saw. So that's going on there too. We're gonna lower it a little bit, and then it's gonna go to Vegas actually. So pretty cool to see that here amongst all the cars. We're doing all these kits and all these things. We just got another kit in, and we're expecting even more. So if you want to get your stuff done, hit us up now. special car for a special person. This belongs to Anderson Silva, the UFC fighter, the legend. Brought it in. He wanted to do some cool modifications. He actually came in and saw my white Urus and saw the body kit on there. Was opting to do a wide body, but decided not to. But he did some cool stuff. He did change the hood. As you can see, the hood is the full forged carbon fiber 1016 hood. We exposed, obviously, the top vents and wrapped the rest of it. This car, mind you, was all in regular gloss black. We wrapped the entire vehicle in satin black with the door jambs and everything. So nice satin black. We also had the forged carbon fiber lower spoiler from 1016 down there installed. So you get that forged look. He wanted the forged carbon fiber side skirts right there too. So that's some added detail right there, all forged. We didn't do anything in the back. And then we also did a set of RDB signature wheels, 24-inch. This is not a wide body, but he wanted that look of the wheels to look like the wide body. So we did the biggest lip we can possible on this configuration. Still have a pretty nice lip in the front, and then you have a really big lip in the back of this car. Again, this is not a wide body Urus. Check out his brake calipers. Might be hard to see, but the infamous front kick is on there.
Said second to none.
This is a special opportunity for us. We're very excited. We appreciate the business, and check out this Ghost teaser. Yeah, those tips are nice. That's the
extensions.
Okay.
To inside the thing. Yeah, okay.
This is a beauty, and it's not fake. This is all authentic Brabus. That's all we do, authentic only. You don't see exhaust happening quite often, but we do almost every Brabus build with the Brabus exhaust. I mean, look at those tips, they're gorgeous. Nobody else does it like that. They're valved, look really, really nice. They have, and look at this serious. This is serious. This is the extension that goes between the muffler and the car. So Brabus does, you guys already know, top quality work. So we're very happy to work with them. But yeah, the China Blue G-Wagon, we're rushing it. The body kit's painted. We're gonna be starting to put it on. Javier's doing the electrical work. A lot of people don't realize it's not just the bumpers, whatever. It's a lot of wiring, a lot of electrical work. And the way Brabus does it isn't like a Mickey Mouse thing. It's crazy wiring harnesses and modules, all kinds of stuff that connects to the car. So a lot of work. The exhaust is gonna go on right now too. I'm excited for this build because we haven't done a China Blue. This will be our 6th 2025 G63 Brabus. We did 2 matte black ones. We did a black one. We did a green one, a tan one, and now we're doing the China Blue. We also are doing 2 4x4 G-Wagons in Brabus, a white one and a special gold one that's on its way to Vegas. So a lot of Brabus going down again. That's why the rumors are we're called BRABUS Los Angeles.
Yes, we have a G63 here. This car is in here for brakes. We're doing front and rear, brake pads, rotors, and sensors. And that's about it on this one. Brakes are very, very low. Brake lights on. And it's time to get this thing back on the road safely.